Shooting birds in flight has always been very challenging genre in wildlife photography. In case of larger birds like pelicans and flamingos, it's relatively easier because of their slow flight and most of the times they glide. But when it comes to smaller birds like kingfishers, it's extremely challenging mainly because of two reasons. First, they are very fast, and secondly, their flight is very unpredictable. Kingfishers are known to exhibit stunning patterns of diving while fishing. While the phenomenon is spectacular, but capturing this process in a camera is a Herculean task. They're so fast that it's almost like a bullet. So we needed a camera which could handle such speed. And we put the new Canon EOS R1 to test. Thanks to the fast electronic shutter, capturing this entire sequence was effortless. Well, now we had a camera which could handle such speed. Looking at these results, we wanted to explore some more species of small birds in flight. So our next target was small and fast birds like finches, munias, Indian paradise flycatchers. All these birds are very beautiful, but they are known for their agility and unpredictable flight patterns. The autofocus and focus tracking worked excellent for these small birds. We were happy with the results, but the pursuit for perfection wasn't yet over. We wanted to explore the new feature in the camera which could elevate our capabilities beyond human reflexes. Pre-continuous shooting mode. This helps you to capture up to 20 frames even before you press the shutter button. We were also very happy with the in-camera upscaling feature, which allows to transform your 24-megapixel files into a stunning 96-megapixel image. Due to the deep learning technology, the upscaled image produces much more details compared to simply interpolating from regular softwares. Freezing such moments of small birds in flight, which was very challenging previously, is now made easy due to technological advances like fast autofocus, accurate focus tracking, and features like pre-continuous shooting mode.